Because most of the things at FCDC now, we are like
Director, tuangalie kidogo.
And we had a pilot last year where we had 10 schools selected through the Ministry of Education. We have been able to see the impact of the pilot program, and now we are having a scale up. We have added 2 more schools, and from the reports and the outcome, the impact on the ground, this program has been able to revolutionize teaching and learning in our institutions. It's targeting from grade 4 to 9, and our teachers have been able to gain skills, knowledge, and attitudes that they have been able to utilize in the teaching learning in the classes, and the teaching outcomes or the learning outcomes have improved.
Through this program, we have benefited. Teachers got laptops and then curriculum for this program, and learners are gained the skill, knowledge on how to use the digital devices, and also improve in different learning areas such as science and technology, pre-technical for junior school. So it is good, and then it is doing well.